Power Integrations Reference Design Kits, or RDKs, are proven, real-world designs that developers can evaluate, modify, and tune to accelerate development. Power Integrations offers RDKs for a wide range of applications, including LED lighting, automotive power conversion, IoT, appliances, metering, motor control, and more. These fully functional reference boards demonstrate the capabilities of a wide range of Power Integrations ICs, including InnoSwitch 3, TinySwitch 4, LinkSwitch, and other product families. Each kit is supported by complete reference design files that can be leveraged in new designs to shorten development timelines. They also include comprehensive documentation, including performance data, waveforms, and thermal performance. The RDKs provide designers a starting point that is proven and highly optimized, with the ability to quickly modify it to meet the performance needs of the target application.